Fine, Pop. Now you're gonna be sneaking alive from the fucking xenomorph, so be fucking ready.
God damn it. It's Whipley, believe it or not. That thing got no water, no bitches. Oh. Oh. What do I think they know I'm here?
Maybe.
Oh.
Oh God. Why did you walk into the room and they were all pointed at you?
I think they know I'm here.
Do you have any ibuprofen? I got a headache.
Look above you. Look above you. Look above you. Look above you. Oh, it's some Hakatua. Look above you. Oh.
Oh, ow, ow, oh, Pete, didn't know! Ah!
Dude.
Are we rushing in? Or are we going sneaky beaky like?
They'll never know. They'll never know. They'll never know. They'll never know what'll. They'll never know.
Oh my God.
Are you sure? Bruh! You gotta be jerking my mate. Dude, they haven't even showed me how to rewire yet. And they have an AI walk up to me and just start shooting me. I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do. I'm reading the instructions. Don't let me up, brother. Oh, do you love the way I do it? Can I kill those people in there with this?